Hey guys, Travis Hardesty. I'm going to do my video on the HD PVR. Alright, before I get into some of the deeper features of the HD PVR, I'd figured I would explain pixels and desktop resolution, since that is a very big part of what it actually does. Alright, a pixel is a single point or raster image as detailed here. What that essentially is just it's one little point on your screen. For instance, this desktop right here and the video is in 1280 by 720, which for the media industry would be classified as 720p, 720 progressive. The P isn't so much important for a desktop as it is for videos and TVs, but that's something else. What 720p is 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels high. And that is a desktop resolution. The HD PVR is capable of a few different capturing resolutions. It starts off at standard definition, which is about here. PAL for Europeans is this, and for the US and some other countries, it's just slightly a little bit different, NTSC. It can also capture up to HD 1080, 1920 by 1080. This is Blu-ray resolution if anyone uses that. Very, very high definition. It's a lot of pixels. It also is able of capturing 720, 1280 by 720 like this is now. These are all different resolutions standards. They're all in media industry standards, yeah. 720p and 1080p, 1080i. These are interlaced and progressive. It's just the type. It's just how the frames are interwoven together. And for the most part, it's not something that you would need to worry about. It's more for professionals. Okay, this is the HD PVR. It's made by the company Hauppauge. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, so just say it however you want. But this is a capture card. And a capture card is a device that is used to record a video and audio signal from like a TV or a satellite box or a video game system. And it can be used, this one specifically can be used to record in high definition. On the back here are the inputs and outputs. This is a component, which is a common analog HD connection. And on the back it's got an input for component and an output. This can be used so you can pass through, like your satellite box has, say, for instance, it's got the output in this. You can output into this, and then it comes with another set of cables like that you can do the output back to your TV, so it'll capture it while you're watching it. And it's got optical link for audio or toss link for 5.1 surround sound, and it's got a set of standard definition inputs on the front. This is the software that comes with the HD PVR. This is what you use to record stuff with. If I actually had it hooked up, it would say HD PVR, and a list of options would come up with input type and audio input type and things like that. And what this does, it's when it's hooked up and you have a source coming into it through the cables, it'll automatically detect the resolution that's from the input, so it records based on the input resolution. So it's pretty easy stuff. It'll display what's coming through right here, and it'll play. And there's some options to enable a preview while you're capturing or turn it off. If you leave it on and you hit capture, it'll continue playing what you're capturing with a delay, so you can use it to see what you're capturing. Now this is pretty useful if you're just have an input and you want to, it's just like TV, and you want to watch it while you're capturing it. There'll be a little bit of delay, but for that it's okay. Now for something, if you were going to use it for, say, recording video games, then that's probably not a good idea, since the delay doesn't work very well, since you need instant input for things like that. But that's what the pass-through on the back is for. You can just pass it through to your TV from there, so that way, while it's recording, you can also view it on your TV. For the remainder of the video, I'm going to show some captured footage that I captured myself with the HD PVR. It'll demonstrate the quality that you can achieve with this capture card.
You look like you're in good shape.
I'm ready for action! Fight! Wait, you! Wait, you!
Detailed account of your previous engagement. George, it's been too long.
Mom.
Following a typical nightmare pattern, I was late, desperately trying to reach my destination, a lighthouse. For some urgent reason, I couldn't remember. I'd been driving too fast down a coastal road to get there.
You know, Lieutenant, you're getting pretty good at that.
Why, you get to Carnegie Hall, don't you? Practice.
Travis Hardesty, and that was the HD PVR.